Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. AI can be applied to your current products. Here are some benefits from integrating AI with your product line. Add new capabilities to the existing product. This could be better analysis of the information coming out of the product. Reduce costs. AI capabilities could replace more expensive search algorithms. Improve the performance of the product. AI can provide better results at a faster rate. Promote AI enabled as a way of building the product brand. Add recommendation features into the product. Recommendations guide the customer on how to work with the product. This provides the customer with a better experience. Enhance data analytics from the product. Many products provide data that can be mined for insights and monetization. AI can analyze the data and provide new insights to the customer. Add more intelligence into the product. By combining AI and data sets, the product can bring better results to the customer. Consider these opportunities in adding AI to your product line. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start hustling today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.